This is room 613 in the Ace Hotel in New York, in Brooklyn. Sorry for my voice. Okay, it's kind of an interesting hotel room. This is not a closet. It doesn't slide, it doesn't move, it doesn't open. So this is as close to an actual closet as you get. And there are two ropes normally hanging up. This also does not open. And there's this little barrier here because it houses a furnace, basically. Okay. Now, on this side, we have this little cubby with things for sale, because these are not included, of course. And a rather retro-looking refrigerator that's full of things that you can also buy. This is the bathroom. And then here's the bed. You get power. This one actually worked better than the other one. The one on the other side didn't work for me. You also, oddly enough, get a turntable. And I think that might be a radio, but I'm not sure, along with a selection of records, just in case you need some. And a little desk here. And there's power over here by the lamp. A drawer. These little lamps are all over the place. A nice mirror. Excuse me, a nice window. Great couch. And basically this is the room in the Ace Hotel.